This is just a very fast run through of how I grade papers on Discovery, and you'll notice that I'm here in one of my assignments, final draft of assignment 1. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go up here where it says view 18 submitted assignments. I'm going to click that. Here's my list of students in the class. I'm going to grade Allison Antrim's paper. I could just click on this link to her paper, but I'm actually going to go to this window, and you'll see that her paper is at the top of the screen, and then the rubric is immediately below that. I'm not going to fill out the rubric yet. First, I'm going to open her paper. Now, normally I'd click on that, and I can open that with preview since I have a Mac, but I actually like grading, if I'm going to do it off of my desktop, using Adobe Reader a little bit better. So I've already got her paper here on Adobe Reader, and I would be reading through it, and as I noticed something that I wanted to comment on, I could add a little sticky note right here. Nice idea. I'm done with that. Or if I want to highlight if I want to highlight text, I can do that as well. And I can also add another note to that highlighted section. Alright, so I've finished grading, and I'm then going to come up here and save it. And that's being a little bit slow, so I'm just going to move on, but I would save that maybe with a different title, graded paper 1, something like that. Alright, so I've saved it. I'm going to come back here, and then now that I've read through the paper and I've marked up anything I'm going to mark, I'm going to then check the different categories. If I want to, I can add a little comment next to the categories. It's a very narrow window because of the screen, but I could type in a comment there. But basically I'm going to go through, fill out the rubric. If I want to do a concluding feedback comment, I can do that. Then I'm going to come down here where it says response files, and I'm going to upload a file. So I'm going to browse, and here's the folder that I've got all of these papers saved in. And I'll find the one that I had graded and saved as a graded paper. I upload that. Which you now see down here. And if I want to let her know that I've graded her paper, I can click send notifications, or I can leave that blank and just announce to the class that I have turned those in. And then I'm just going to click save changes. And that's all that there is to it. Now I'm not going to do that right. Well, let me go ahead and do that. I'll just have to explain to Allison this isn't really her graded paper right now. But if I save those changes, you now see that she's got a 91 out of 100. It's gone ahead and used the rubric to grade that. It's got that concluding comment, and then there still is her paper that she submitted to me. And here it says update, and it says final grade 91%. If I click on update, it takes me back to that screen, and of course I can redo any of that if I need to. If I want to delete this paper and upload a different one, I've got options of doing that, or I can leave it all the same. Alright, so then I'm basically done with her. If you want to just see what it looks like when you come over into grades, you click grades, and I like to use Jewel Gradebook just because I can get to things a little bit faster. And I've got my categories here. I've got assignment 1, and you'll notice there's Allison's 91% in her final draft. I can always, in Gradebook, adjust those grades manually if I need to, and I can also leave some kind of a comment if I need to do that in the gradebook. But I've already done that in the assignment itself, so basically I'm done.